My name is Jareth Portillo. GTR is a fun car, but why not add some all-wheel drive to make it more practical? Full stage 2, it's intake, high pressure fuel pump, catless downpipe, custom exhaust all the way back, just coilovers, basic mods, threw in little spacers, stock wheels. Suspension's pretty cool, turned a little bit better, maybe just keep playing with the dampening, maybe lower my car a little bit more, it's a little too high. My brother had a bunch of SIs when I was growing up, and then he ended up getting an Evo 9, and then kind of started from there, just doing pulls on the freeway. And then my first car was actually a Pontiac Solstice, rear-wheel drive American car. Slow, but I mean it was fun. Integrated engineering, their Stage 2 Pro, running on 91 octane. It's pretty cool, pops a lot. Has a lot of torque in the low end, so it's always a fun car. Yeah, I'd recommend the tune. You can flash on the go, flash from your own home on your own computer, data log, read your codes. You can also change like the octane rating on your tune, and you can also put it like in a valet mode or just go to stock mode if you really needed to. On Instagram, it's Jareth_R20.